Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of NkaneloWaGingirikani. My name is Gingirikani Wakamashava, coming to you live from home here at Nsami. I'm at Hatsama village. You know, there's a dam in front of me, you know, and yeah, so it's really bad. It's tense, good tricky guys. It's bad. I know it's summer and we're in a festive mode, but good tense. It looks like Tsonga people are livid. It looks like Tsonga people are breathing through the wound. Or it's either the MEC for Arts, Sports and Culture or for Sports, Arts and Culture is breathing through the wound. Find out why. So yeah guys, the MEC for Sports, Arts and Culture, Limpopo Province, is it Miss Thandi Moraka, is accused of tribalism. This is because of the incident that happened or that took place at the Mabungubwe. We say Mabungubwe. We say Mabungubwe. Some say Mabungubwe, but we say Mabungubwe. It's actually an annual Mabungubwe festival out at the Mukabe Stadium. So Dr. Thomas Chauke is a big Chitsonga traditional music legend. You know, we celebrate him in South Africa. I think he's a 14-time summer winner, if I'm not mistaken. So we are talking about the legend here of Chitsonga music, and he was embarrassed and humiliated during the Mabungubwe Arts Festival. And it looks like the MEC for Arts, Sports and Culture was involved. We are hearing that actually Thomas Chauke was busy performing, you know. You know, apparently he was performing Rosa Wamina, if you know the song, you know. And a mic was grabbed from him. He was told he must go backstage because now it's time for the MEC. The MEC want to deliver a speech or something. Apparently they were going to celebrate Makazi and Master KG. I'm not sure why. So apparently according to the schedule, Makazi and Master KG were going to be celebrated at 12 o'clock. So it looks like the promoters or the stage managers who were doing the show called Thomas Chauke to be on stage around 12, and that time was allocated to Makazi and the Master KG. So there was that confusion as per the organizers. What's going to happen now? Because the mayor or the MEC must be on stage and then talk about these people, and then Thomas Chauke is busy performing. So the only plan is to kick him out. So he was kicked out of stage. Thomas Chauke, Nashinyori sisters. We talk about the legend here. So Thomas Chauke was very unhappy about it. So it looks like he approached the MEC, which was a good thing, I think, you know, to understand what what's the issue here. Why are you doing this to me? Because when we were speaking on radio, one of the radio stations here out here in Giyani, he did say that it looks like it's not the first time that he is mistreated or ill-treated this way. Just that most of the time people don't see it because they are, you know, in a crowd, but then he's backstage and he has to go through this. Me, because I've gone to a lot of concerts here in South Africa, yes, I know stage managers, or what do you call it, promoters, can be very mean. You know, or even the MCs themselves find out you are busy performing, you know, and then someone they cut you off out of a blue, or maybe it's your time, they start calling someone's name, another artist, but it's your time to perform, but they call another one. So you know those things. I feel like promoters, MCs, these people who are doing these things, stage managers need to actually respect people who are like performing. But all I can say, out of everything I've said, I just personally feel like this has everything to do with tribalism. people have been calling it as it is, tribalism, and I feel like it is, and we need to call it as it is. This thing of sugarcoating this thing is the reason why we're not going to move forward. Someone must take responsibility. That was tribalism. The reason I'm saying it is because one of my friends who's also been part of this Mabungubwe performance, you know, has actually said previously to say that, you know what, I was ill-treated at the event. So I'm not surprised that it's happening again, especially to Tsonga people. Because it looks like Tsonga people during the Mabungubwe festival are not almost welcome. People just do it to comply and then to appear as if they are including them. Because I heard the MEC saying that, how can I be accused of tribalism while it's me who invite? Yes, you had to invite a stronger person because you want to look like you are representing everyone, but deep inside you know who you are. I'm not surprised that's happening. I've heard lots of people who actually have gone there to perform who are stronger, to say that, you know what, we are ill-treated in this event, and you know, it's just pure tribalism, and it needs to end, and it needs to end now. Tribalism, racism, and most of the time we find out is the jokes that these comedians or these MCs put out there, you know, because I feel like a health joke, tribal jokes, what else, racism jokes, those things come, but they're of a bad taste, you know. They can be very, very sensitive. So I don't know, but all I know is that I know tribalism exists, and whatever happened to Thomas Chauke, it had everything to do with tribalism. Maybe it wasn't the MEC herself who I can say maybe she is guilty of tribalism, but whoever kicked out Thomas Chauke on stage is suffering from tribal attitudes. So there's everything to do with tribalism there. So I feel like it was about tribalism. I mean, come on, Thomas Chauke is performing on stage, you kick him out. And I heard that apparently the MEC said she doesn't like stronger music, it's too loud, you know. Apparently it's too loud. So yeah, and then it's time for Makadzi. So you want to tell me that you kick out Thomas Chauke for Makadzi? Huh? Or Master KG? No, that's a legend, man. It is not right. Tribalism is wrong. It's cold out here in Guyana. From me, NkaneloWaGingirikani, Salute. Natitimel. Magatitimel.